Stop wasting your time. If you want to design your photo, you want to design your image, you want to make your image a little bit more with good things, here in this video I'm going to talking with you about the Canva. Yes guys, it's a Canva. So in this video I will show you 3 tricks which you can use to generate your image a little bit more aesthetic and vibrant. So how you can do it? Before starting this video guys, hi, this is Sajidz and you're watching Sajidz Tech. Before starting this video, I request you, if you still now not the subscriber of my channel, then I request you please subscribe. If you still so, then thank you. So let's get started this video. So the number one, this is the search techniques. So in Canva there is a lots of templates for you, even though lots of ready-made designs as well for you, even though for the free users as well. So in this case most of the people, what they used to do, they're searching something like the YouTube thumbnail, that's all. But in this case they are getting very much boring things. They are getting a lot of things, but it's overrushed, override and very much basic things. So in this case what you should have to do. So anyways, suppose you are a gamer, you want to generate a gaming thumbnail for you. Suppose you want to generate a very much gaming thumbnail for your specific games video as well. So in this case how you will search it, like YouTube thumbnail for GTA 5. It will give you a lots of basic thumbnails. In this case what you have to do, that is you have to add those words like realistic, generic, 3D or aesthetic, this type of words you have to use. In this case what you will get, you will get a very much good aesthetic video thumbnails for your YouTube, even though for your Facebook photo cards as well. Even though if you are a vlogger, you want to add it in your website as well. So this will be very much helpful for you. In this case, you will generate a very much unique thumbnails or unique photo cards or unique images for what you can add in your Facebook page, profile, your YouTube as well. Now the number 2, this is the remove background, the background remover, whatever you tell it. Here we use lots of apps, lots of websites, we know about it, even though we use Photoshop, Illustrator and others as well to remove our backgrounds. But what I feel after using this Canva's background remover, it seems very much natural after even though remove it. But others, I feel that it's not natural, it's something like artificial or something like this. So in this case, here you can not only also remove the background, but also you can remove, even though you can add your backgrounds as well, even though you can also give it as a natural vibe as well, even though you can also set here a portrait mode as well, so that you can make the background as a very blur or something like this, which is more aesthetic to show. So this is the another thing. The last thing, that is here text to image conversion. Here most of the time people thought that only ChatGPT has this feature to generate an image. Even though after Google launched their Gemini, people think that yep, Gemini also very good. But here in the Canva, they are in the another level. Here you can do it something like we are chatting with them. So here we can just type something here and then it will generate you something like this, and then you can on this image, on that image what they generate, you can just do a chatting system like that. Yeah, I want to add this, I want to remove that, I want to add here, I want to set it in the left, on the right, this something like a chat, and Canva can do you these things. So by these things you can make a lot of fun, even though it will be more easier for you guys, you won't believe it yet. So guys, this is the thing I want to share with you. Now it's your time to go in the desktop and start your Canva. Even though if you don't have desktop, no worry about it, you can also do it by your mobile. That's very much simple for you guys. Now it's your turn guys to see it how it works. Guys, if it works for you and you like it, I request you please give a like this video and also subscribe my channel as well. Guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.